Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd do another worked example for an exam. This is 2012 Exam 2, Question 3 in the Geometry and Trigonometry section. So let's have a look at it. A tree is growing near the block of land. The base of the tree, T, is at the same level as the corners, P and S, of the block of land. Show that corrected two decimal places, the distance ST is 41.81. Now, I've spoken to a few people already that one of the first things I do, no matter what the question's saying, is work out what the third angle is if you've been given two angles. So 47 plus 72 equals 119. And then we can have 180 minus 119 is 61 degrees. So get in the habit of doing that before you even attempt any further questions. This may actually help you. So what we're looking is ST. We're trying to find this here. Let's relabel all our corners. No matter what the letters say, we always like to use A, B, and C. All right. Do we have a pair of information? Yes, we do. We've got 50 and 61. So finding that third angle to start off with actually helps us solve the question. So because we've got a pair, we're using sine rule. And in this case, we're going to be using B over sine B equals, and what we're trying to find is S to T. So we're going to have to then use A over sine A. So let's put this information in. So B over 50 over sine 61 equals A over sine 47. So if we were to solve for A, we would end up having to multiply sine 47 across, and you guys should be able to do this yourself. So A would equal 41.809. So if we're going to round that, that's going to be 41.81, and that's what the question's actually asking us to prove. So we've proved that ST equals 41.81. Part B, from the point S, so we've got point S here. The angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 22 degrees. Calculate the height of the tree. So when we're talking about elevation and depression, we're using right angle triangles. So we can draw ourselves a picture. So from point S, we can draw, there's the base, here's the tree, and the angle of elevation is, they say in the question, 22 degrees. We're trying to find the height of the tree, so we're trying to find this, and we need one more piece of information. The information actually comes from part A. Now, if you didn't get part A correct, there's nothing wrong with you using the answer from the question in your part B. You'd still get full marks from the assessors. So 41.81. Now, because it's a right angle triangle, we can use SOHCAHTOA, opposite and adjacent. In this case, we're using tan. So tan 22 degrees is opposite over adjacent. Rearranging this, you should be able to solve that x equals 16.89. Now, be very careful. I just said 16.89. However, the question does say correct to one decimal place, so 16.89 does round to 16.9. Now, hopefully everyone went pretty well on that. Once again, let's have a look at the assessor's comments. So if we go to the assessor's comments, for this question back in 2012, only 26% of the cohort got this correct for full 2 marks. Average was 50%. So only 26% got the full marks out of the whole cohort. I think that's very poor for being two really basic questions. There's the work solution for A, proving it to be 41.89, and the answer for 16.9. One of the things they did say in this question is when people drew this triangle, they assumed that the ST was the hypotenuse, so they drew this up here as the right angle. However, if we're looking at it from our diagram, this is our tree here. So it's not the hypotenuse, it's actually the base, 41.89. Hopefully you did well with this question. You got the full 2 marks and B in that 26%. And hopefully you enjoyed watching this flip. Bye.